Hey Dan, sorry this is going to be a terrible video. I've run out of light, so I'm using a head torch, but I think I might have figured out the steering wheel controls. So to give you an idea what I've done, obviously this is going to radio, which it's weird. I've got two radio connections, as you can see here, a black and a white one. What I did last time, and it seemed to have worked, was I plugged the black one in, and the white one just plugged into the original sort of radio spot. So the original radio is there, so I just kept that plugged in, which will also be plugged into this, because there's nothing I've got that plugs into that. That connector there, which was also plugged into that big radio unit, or the big unit with all the buttons and stuff, that goes straight into this big guy. Then I've got my GPS unit plugged in. Now I do have the CAN bus here, so as you can see it is plugged in. That goes down into port C, but as you can see there's nothing in this end. That's the end that I thought needed to be plugged into something on the car's end, but maybe not. Now this is the one that I found today, this one here. I found today that this one used to be plugged into the old screen that used to be at the top. So that's it up here. So it's a really weird looking connector with a little locking tab. Anyway, so that fits, so I'm going to try that. Hopefully that works. Apart from that, I'm going to try running optical to an amp. And I've got an amp turn on wire. Going to give that a crack. Now in terms of the fitment issue, still not sure we're understanding, but you can see here, see that bracket where my finger is, that should be flat and the screen should come back further, because as you can see the screen doesn't sit flush at the bottom, because when you try to push the bottom in, so where my finger is, if you try to push the screen back, way up inside here, which you can't really see it, but see the vents on the back? So they protrude on the inside of this plastic fascia. You can see all the little grooves there. Maybe if I can get the light right. Yeah, see those, where my finger is, that plastic groove? So that actually hits like these metal bits, but at the top of the screen, so way down under there. Stops the screen from sitting flush. Anyway, it's not a deal breaker, but definitely odd. Alright, hopefully that helps. I'll let you know if I get it all working.